Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Take a quick second and say thank you to the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all. And anybody who's new here or who's been by and haven't had a chance yet, if I could convince you to, if you're so inclined, if you'll please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It'll let YouTube know you're interested in my content, recommend it to you, let you know when I upload new content like this unboxing and when I go live. But anyway, what we have here is kind of a mystery. It's a bigger box. I had reached out when I was at Blade Show to a lot of people. I have, talked to a lot of people on Instagram, let them know that I have a channel. And this is Spaceship Limited in Gardendale, California, which I'm not familiar with, but got my new little Amazon unboxing flipper. We're going to try it out and we'll get into this. Looks like it goes this way, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Yep. Well, the little unboxing knife did good. Very, very cool. Guys, I can just tell you already, I am stoked. I think I know what this is. And I think we may have seen the last of our combat beads unboxing tool or assembly tool. Guys, this is looking at the bits. Go screw yourself. Extra bearing, couple of 4 washers, extra post. Check this out. They're doing scales now, guys. This is almost like a sample to show, or is this check that out. I think that's just a Benza scale, guys. Look at that. You know what this means? You know how my brain works? I think you do. If I'm gonna have to buy a Sabenza. Thank you, good screw. And that's magnetically held together, guys. Talk about just presentation on its own. Sticker, extra bearings, all the bits you could want. And they even use the security Torx bits. Let's see what kind of bits we got here. Not that it really matters. Drop bits. They look absolutely fine, and you've got all your different Torx here. The only difference with the security bit is if you've got to get into the security that has a little post, you can, but the outer dimensions are the same, so you're good there. All right. Whoa, holy moly. Certificate of legitness. I dig that. This is a good screw. The design's Thunderstroke, titanium, birth date September 23rd or September 27th, 2023. And it's also got the Berserk holder in Zerk. This is in Zerk. Wow. born September 23rd or September 27th, 2023. Guys, I am stunned. I reached out to these guys, I think on Instagram, maybe at Blade Show, and gave them a couple of links. I mean, that's a fidget toy. Look how smooth that is. Let's get this out. Let's put this in here. Let's put this in here. Well, that doesn't go in there. That won't fit in there either. Put that up. I love the way the screw comes through the way they presented it in the box. That is very cool. Guys, you got to be kidding me. Can you see that? I don't think my camera is doing it justice. Just pull a bit out of my... Dude. That is absolutely stunning. And I know I'm just being quiet sitting here, but I just flicked it once. And it's spinning like, I don't know how many revolutions per second. It looks a lot slower on film than it does. I'm guessing this will probably spin for a minute or two. Let's do this. Okay, it doesn't spin. Well, it will spin in the thing. So now they're both spinning. So guys, I've got a dedicated channel breakdown, skip upgrading bit holder where I can put my different bits that I use. Let's see. I don't think I have a T30 here. That is T6, T10, T10, T6, wait 30 seconds. So I've got some random bits in there. T10. I think this is the T8. T8. So see guys, I can stick my bits in there like so. That is too freaking cool. I am so absolutely stoked and so appreciative to Get Good Screw for believing in the channel and giving me the opportunity to check this thing out. And you guys will see it moving forward as we do some mega unboxings, or excuse me, disassemblies, not unboxings. I'll get my bits filled in here. And yeah, guys, that is just an unboxing, not a review. Probably not going to be a review. I don't know how I would review a badass driver and bit system. All I can tell you is this Zerk and this, the way it spins like a top. I mean, you can tell the absolute machining quality is on point. I mean, when you look at that bearing and you look at how, I mean, it's so much different than just a bearing on my Combat Bees, which is plenty good. This is all I need, or my Weehaw Stubby. But when you look at something like this, and you see the craftsmanship that goes into it, functional art, guys. I love the knurling. The knurling looks like you can get some serious torque on that. Yeah, guys, good news. I ordered a bunch of bearings for some bearing upgrades that I want to do. So I've got those coming in. I think tomorrow I've got some scales coming in tomorrow that I ordered for my Native 5. but it's going to be really cool. There's some beautiful scales. Can't wait to show those to you, and we'll do the assembly on those together. But again, this is just an unboxing of probably one of the coolest things I've ever opened and looked at in my short little channel life. But I love, love, love this bit driver and that bit holder. It is too cool for the room. Guys, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate you taking some time. Check out goodscrew.com. Go screw yourself. They've got some really cool stuff there. I was a browser forever. That's why I think I reached out to them, because I've been seeing their stuff, and it's one of the websites that I keep and look at, because they're always bringing out not only new designs in terms of the way that they look, but finishes that are off the chain. So, and also, as we learned, they are doing scales. I need to go to their website and see if they are just doing Sabenza scales or if they're doing other scales. But this, to me, and you guys tell me, looks like a Chris Reeves Sabenza scale. Leave a comment, guys. Is that a Sabenza scale? I think it is. I think I'm going to have to buy a Sabenza to use this scale on. But guys, I appreciate it. Get good, screw. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I look forward to using it. And guys, that's really all I've got. Hope to see y'all on Friday Night Flicks, or when we're hanging on Metal Mondays, or just on the next video. But I'll be uploading this one shortly. And all I ask is you guys look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.